everyone, it's Pretty Miss Brit here again with another makeup tutorial for you guys. If you guys are interested and would like to know how I got this look here, please stay tuned. I want to start off by apologizing for the video quality. My camera was doing something weird the whole time. It was just not staying in the place that it was supposed to. So I'd just like to apologize for that. Let's just continue on with the video. I already did my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna start by going in with my new palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Real Gar, and I'm gonna use that as my transition shade. I'm gonna start off by putting this in my crease, putting on a little at a time. It's okay to get the color very close to your brow, like above the crease line, because this is a very bold look and you're gonna end up cutting most of that color out anyways, so you want it to see a little bit, so you just want to put it very close to your brow so you can get a little bit of that color, not directly underneath your brow because you still want the concealer line, but right underneath so you can still see that pigment. I'm gonna go in with Sky, the shade Sky by Morphe, and I'm gonna put that on the inner corner of my eye and the outer corner of my eye and blend through the crease. And I'm gonna avoid putting it in the middle of my eyelid. I'm gonna go and put Kohl eye pencil on my lid and put the blue color on top. Sorry, that was hard to say. Now I'm gonna go in with Azure in Morphe palette, and I'm gonna put that in that same area. I'm going to use M139 brush. Okay, I know it looks messy now, but just give it 1 second. We're about to clean it up right now. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my CC concealer, RK by Kiss in Golden Honey, and we're gonna make a little tornado shape. We're gonna use this flat brush here, starting from our crease and going down. Now you're gonna use that brush that you applied that blue color on, and you're just gonna kind of sweep it in the middle. Sweep it towards the middle, but not directly in the middle. And don't get the top part of the crease. Just stay beneath that line that you made. Now I'm gonna go in with this turquoise shade here. And I'm gonna put a small portion of that color right next to where we swept it out, but not directly in the middle. And I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills blending brush. Now I'm gonna go in this color, the shade Apple Cider, and put that everywhere I didn't put any eyeshadow. I'm going to spray my brush a little to pick up some of that color. use a clean blending brush to blend your colors together. I'm going to do the rest of my makeup and I will be right back with the bottom lid. Now I'm going to apply some glitter primer by NYX. I'm going to apply glitter in the shade Teal. Now I'm going to apply these lashes, 3D 62. So we're going to put the turquoise shade in the middle and the blue shade on the outside of our bottom eyelids. We're going to use apple cider and put that in the middle. We're going to use Maybelline Lash Sensational. I'm going in with Chestnut by MAC. And I'm gonna use Nibble by Morphe. Now I'm gonna set it all in place with a little bit of Avion facial spray. Now I'm gonna use Tourmaline in my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I hope you all enjoyed this look and I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope to see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and just stay tuned until next time. Thank you, loves.